Now DIYs, I'm laying my way out to the door. The worst part's done. That's the shower base, the waste cut. Now it's just a matter of going through the process. Easy. These tiles are a bit sizey. They are pressed edge. I prefer the porcelain myself. These are a ceramic tile. They're not as accurate as the cut porcelain. When they're getting baked, they can go out of shape slightly. That's why in the old days it was always a wider grout line which camouflaged the sizey tile. That's why we've got skinny grout lines now, because the tiles are cut and they're a lot more accurate. So if you wondered why it was always wide grout lines years ago, that's the reason. Sizey tiles. And now with clips, well, it's like kindergarten. Mushka. Okay, we'll come back to you soon.